Welcome to MasterWriter's Tips and Tricks. In this episode, we'll be talking about idioms. An idiom is a common, well-known phrase or word combination that means something different than its literal meaning. Idioms are used to describe actions, situations, and people in a figurative and more imaginative way and are not to be taken literally. Using idioms can help you make a point in a colorful and interesting way. Some examples are a blessing in disguise, good fortune that is not immediately perceived, and break a leg, wishing a performer good luck. Those are just a few of the more common idioms, but take the time to really dig into this section. It's the most comprehensive source of idioms you'll ever see in one place. Let's discover some more and learn how using filters can help you to find the perfect idiom. Whether you're using the Creative Writer or Songwriter versions of MasterWriter, Idioms is found under Speech Types. Select Speech Types and choose Idioms. From here, you'll find pages upon pages of clever idioms in alphabetical order. Idioms are a great way to add creativity to your songs or writings by using popular phrases that infer something different than their initial meaning. For example, bite off more than you can chew means taking on a task that you're incapable of performing. Or flying by the seat of one's pants means improvising or acting unpremeditated. When you find ones you like, double-click to add them to Collected. You can further dial in what you're looking for by using filters. Word type allows you to find positive idioms such as early bird catches the worm or getting one's ducks in a row, whereas negative idioms have a negative connotation such as beating a dead horse or get up on the wrong side of the bed. In addition, you can choose if you'd like to find an idiom that relates to people. Note that negative is still selected, so this particular search will reveal idioms that are negative and relate to people, such as a fish out of water, or idioms that relate to things other than people, such as fight fire with fire. As always, you can also filter the list by syllables, which is helpful when creating songs or poetry. If you'd like to learn more MasterWriter tips and tricks, please subscribe and click the bell to get notified of when we post new videos. Thanks for watching.